In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues when accessing ChatGPT. We'll walk through some simple yet effective steps to get everything back on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're experiencing any hiccups, the simplest solution might be to refresh your page. Often, it's just a temporary glitch causing the issue. All you need to do is hit the refresh button on your browser or simply press F5 on your keyboard. Alternatively, reopening ChatGPT in a new tab might also do the trick. Now, if refreshing didn't solve the problem, let's take a look at your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can really interrupt the chat stream quite significantly. Make sure you're connected to a solid Wi-Fi network, or consider switching to mobile data if that's an option. If your connection still seems unstable, restarting your router could help in re-establishing a strong connection. Next, we'll address browser cache and cookies. Older corrupted cache files might interfere with ChatGPT loading properly. Go ahead and open up your browser settings. The exact steps might vary depending on which browser you use, but look for options to clear your cache and cookies. After doing that, restart your browser to apply these changes. This can often resolve any lingering issues that were caused by outdated files in your cache. For those of you who use various browser extensions, it's worth considering that some extensions such as ad blockers or script blockers might be interfering with the way ChatGPT loads. Try disabling these extensions temporarily and then reload ChatGPT. If ChatGPT starts working again, you'll know that one of your extensions was the culprit. If none of these solutions seem to resolve the issue, trying another browser or even another device can be a game changer. Open ChatGPT in incognito mode first, which disables extensions and uses a fresh cache. Otherwise, switch to a different browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If it still doesn't work, testing it on another device, such as a smartphone or tablet, could reveal if the problem is device specific. Sometimes your session might just need a refresh. To do this, simply log out of your ChatGPT account and then log back in. This not only refreshes your connection, but might also resolve any session-specific issues you might be facing. Lastly, remember that there might be issues beyond your control. It's worth checking if ChatGPT servers are facing downtime. Visit status.openai.com to see if there's any ongoing issue with the ChatGPT servers. If their servers are experiencing downtime, you'll need to be patient until things are back to normal from their end. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to getting those pesky access issues resolved and be back to using ChatGPT smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.